equality advocate. I believe everyone deserves respect, opportunity, and the chance to achieve their dreams, no matter their gender. Everyone deserves to be free and equal in our society. No one should be judged for who they are or who they love.
A world where everyone, regardless of gender or identity, can reach their full potential. A world where talent, effort, and passion matter more than bias. That world is possible, but it begins with us.
Stand for equality, lift each other up, speak, support, act together. We can build a world where no one is left behind. A world where love knows no gender, where respect is given to all, and where every voice matters.